How to delete payment method on Netflix. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete payment method on Netflix. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're using a web browser, first of all you have to go to netflix.com and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged in, now you have to access the account settings. For that, click on your profile icon at the top right. After that, from the menu bar you have to click on account. Once you get into your account page, you have to find the payment info. For that, under membership and billing, you have to click on manage payment method or payment info. Under that, you will see your payment method that you have added. Next to that payment method, you will have three dot icon. All you have to do is click on it. After you click on it, there you have an option to edit or remove. Click on remove, follow some on-screen instructions, and with that your payment method will be removed. If you don't see the remove option, then you have to update your payment method instead. So that's the way to delete payment method on Netflix, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.